In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your GTA 5 online account on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the only method which essentially allows you to reset your character or account in GTA Online. This will work for Xbox, but the process is going to be the same for PlayStation, PC, and so on. So regardless of the platform that you are trying to do this on, you will be able to follow these steps. So when you go into GTA Online, to find the option that I'm referring to, go into Swap Character. So pause the game at any point and go to Swap Character. And in here, what you will notice is that you can browse between any characters that you have on your social club account. And if you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, the only relevant option is delete. So there is no option to reset your account or a specific character. What you have to do if you would like to reset a specific character is to delete that character, and after it has been deleted, you create a new one. So the short answer to the question in the title of this video is that you must first delete the character and then create a new one, which essentially allows you to perform a reset. Of course, if you don't want to delete the character, just create a new one and skip the first step. It is going to be optional, but maybe you want to go through the full reset process to pretend that you are starting anew. Like I said before, there's no other function that allows you to reset your account. So this is going to be the only way to get this process done. And it is going to work on any platform. So you go into the swap character option, select a character, and then hit the delete button displayed at the bottom right corner of the screen. Afterwards, create a new one and you can start anew. Besides this, you would have to create a new social club account altogether. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.